part of the Walker Brothers Expo. They have got stands, great connections with really strong brands. One of those strong brands is ITI. How are you going, fellas?
Great, mate. Good to be here.
We've got a good setup here. Now, I know you guys firsthand. I'm using your products through Walkers, so run me through what we've got. We've got some really well-known brands, guys.
WeatherTex is a very strong brand that you're using.
It definitely is. Great
Craft,
for outside.
Design Pine, and then your composites, Modwood and Everlast.
All of these products are being used to be able to create amazing homes. I'm using them in my own renovation. That beautiful WeatherTex product in particular is amazing. It's made not too far from here, up in the Hunter.
Yeah, it's all manufactured up in Heatherbrae.
Yeah, great Australian product.
Exactly. Yep.
And this Modwood is amazing because I'm using this as well, a composite material made with wood pulp.
Recycled milk bottles.
Recycled milk bottles.
Australian-made product.
And Australian-made. What more do you have to ask for? Fellas, you're up for a big night tonight. I know the crowds are starting to come in.
Yep.
There's some beer out there as well and some German sausages. What more do we need?
Exactly. Let's get into it.
Another stand here at the Walker Brothers Expo is Hume Doors, a big strong brand that we should know all around Australia, and a big strong fella to represent the brand. How are you, Paul?
Good, thank you.
It's exciting to be here, mate. All the trades are starting to come in and connect. You guys have a strong association with Walker Brothers here on the Central Coast?
Yes, for a long time, been a very loyal customer of ours.
Yeah.
And we always like to look after the people who support our brand and support our product.
Come on down. This is a great expo. If you can't be here tonight, guys, Walker Brothers is open here on the Central Coast. You can drop in and deal with this brand and many others. Great Australian companies to help you with your own renovate or rebuild journey. Thanks, mate.
Beautiful, thank you.
We've got Bremick here now. Your association with Walker Brothers has been pretty extensive, yeah?
Yeah. Look, we've been in the store now for over 12 months, so we do all their fasteners, nuts, bolts, screws, rivets, and we've just gone into post supports and timber connectors. So all your joist hangers, your bracing systems, connectors and tie downs for all around your house frame, from the base now for your post supports, and in hot dip galvanised and stainless steel. So great for coastal areas.
For anyone who is looking to DIY or renovate, you can go to Walker Brothers. They have got experts to help guide you to make sure that you get the right fittings and clamps and fixtures to build your own home. It's a big fair, guys. They're starting to all pour in here. We're looking forward to a big night. Not only do Walker Brothers Timbers work up here on the Central Coast, helping people with their own rebuild and renovate journey, but of course they work with so many trades, including these guys, Snedden Brothers.
How are you guys?
How are you going?
Great.
Great to see you here.
Fantastic.
And the beautiful Alice Nash. She's the best looking painter that I have ever seen.
She's good, isn't she?
I've seen her up on the ladder painting. Normally that hair's all tied up.
Yeah, it looks different today.
But well, you can see what she's doing now because she's got the drink and the burger still eating.
You're teaching her all the bad habits, mate.
No, we're having a great time.
It is great, isn't it? To really put all the trades together. There's such an arrange here. It's a really good expo. It's great for locals up here on the Central Coast. I mean, we've got so many tradies here, and this is important for great small businesses. And of course, Walker Brothers being an Australian-owned business that's celebrating its 90th anniversary this year. It's pretty amazing, hey?
It's great. And you know, I've purchased a lot of product from Walker Brothers. I built my own house out of Walker Brothers.
Well, I'm using them as well for my own house too, mate. So yeah, they're definitely spreading. Good to see you guys.
Thanks, guys. Thanks very much.
There are some brands that are just well known in the industry, and Makita is one of those. There's so much to look at, but what excites me is that everything here is battery operated. How you going, Gordon?
Good, mate. How are you?
Very good, buddy.
Yeah.
There's some things here that even me as an interior designer is so excited about. We've got this compressor. Come and have a look. This is the first in the country. This is a brand new product, battery operated. Now I'm told, if I'm correct, about 700 nails you reckon you can get in with a nail gun?
That's correct, with a nail gun right here.
Yeah, it's a lot, isn't it? When you work hard on site, especially after a big day, it's time for lunch and you want to eat something, and sometimes you're out in the most remote place and there might not be a lot of power on site. Tell us about this little baby.
Okay, this is new. First one in Australia is the Makita microwave, XGT.
Beautiful. You can lift it up, battery operated. You can bang a few meals in there. So much to see here at the Walker Brothers Expo, and things that even get me excited, a microwave on a work site. Who would have thought? Now, I know that I've got a face for radio even though I work on TV. Great to see you here, Bryony. I'm with Triple M. I have got to say nearly every tradie that works on our site is listening to Triple M, and that is no word of a lie.
And so they should be.
And so they should be. It's a great lineup here. Of course, it is the sound of most work sites with listening to the radio, get them through a busy day. But I'm amazed at this. You got yourself a drink and the most amazing hot dog.
It's called the Glamski.
The Glamski.
From the German grill house.
Oh, is it so?
Yes.
Because you're quite glam. So it's
Apparently
a glam.
so.
Apparently. I'm definitely going to go and get a Glamski. So, of course, I love this. We've got people jumping in here. We, of course, are working with Walker Brothers, a big family-owned business going for 90 years. But we've got the operations manager here. Darren, how are you, mate?
Good, mate. How you going?
Very good. Like, congratulations. This is a massive thing to pull together.
Thank you. Very happy.
We've been working around now, talking to some people, talking to the stands. Walker Brothers is a strong business, obviously supplying all of the timber needs, but this has been going for 90 years, mate.
Yeah, 100%. Started 1st September 1933 when David and Alex Walker acquired a hardwood sawmill at Arimba Creek and been going ever since. So a bit different these days than 1933, but still going strong.
I've been reading through, mate. I was amazed to see you move to the site in Wyoming when all of a sudden power came up into the Central Coast like in the 1930s or something.
Yeah.
I think it's an amazing story. But we've been in there. You guys are working with us on our own reno.
Yeah.
You can hear the excitement from the background here.
Yeah.
And it's been pumping out on the radio now for a few weeks, this Expo. It's a great way to bring through trades and really promote what you do. It's all about product and all about service.
100%. Yeah, we pride ourselves on quality product and service. Yeah.
Well done, mate.
Cheers. Thanks,
Great to be a
James.
part
Thank
of
you.
it.
Mate, thanks for coming.
I've been watching people walk around with these amazing sausages and all of the fillings, so I'm about to light up and get one myself. Here apparently you can have the Kransky, the Bratwurst or the Glamski. I ask you, which one do you think I'm going to get? How you going? Glamski? 2 Glamskis. I love that there's such a thing as a Glamski. Perfect. Thank you. Beautiful. Mustard and barbecue. One for me and one for the cameraman. Cheers. How you going, Josh?
I'm great, James.
Another name that is synonymous with building, of course, is James Hardie. You guys have a strong connection with Walker Brothers, don't you?
We do. We love Walker Brothers. They really love to know their clients, and so do we. So we just get along well.
When you turn up there at the beautiful Walker Brothers factory with all of this gear, you've got a big stand set up right at the front left of the car park, so people can turn up and actually touch and feel all of the various profiles.
It's great, yeah. They can really have a look and see what they want. They can touch it. The textures are there, and I mean, there's some great Hardie's products. We really want, try to understand exactly what the clients want.
It's great to see brands here, all of course celebrating 90 years. What an amazing birthday for Walker Brothers. A great turnout from so many really well-known brands, and of course all of the tradies up here on the Central Coast. Great to see you, buddy.
Thanks, James.
Thanks,
Happy
mate.
birthday, Walker Brothers.
Happy birthday, Walker Brothers. How are you, girls?
Good, how are you?
Very good, very good. We've got Jess and Jody from Apollo Kitchens. Now, we've been working with you guys on our own renovation. I'm super chuffed that you have come down tonight. How's it been?
Oh, it's been great. Yeah, we saw that brand new microwave that they're doing by Makita.
It's amazing, isn't it?
It's been a hit,
A
apparently.
battery operated.
Yeah.
There's also lots of materials that we use, cladding products and timber products and nuts and bolts. There's so much to see. It's a really good event, and an Aussie company, Walker Brothers, 90 years. It's an amazing feat, isn't it?
Absolutely. 90 years in the same family, that's an achievement.
Yeah, it is massive. Well, good to see you here, girls. I'm happy to go and have a drink out there from one of the beautiful craft beer stand. We are having a cracking time here at the Walker Brothers 90th anniversary, and of course an expo on the Central Coast. You should be here, but you can visit Walker Brothers anytime and see all of these amazing products on the shelves. For me, it's been such a great night here. I get to run into many brands that I actually work with, but I also get to catch up with mates. This guy, Paul, is someone that I've worked with for many years, and now you are still in TV land. We both are, but now not on the same show, but I've also had Paul taking care of all of the building on our own renovation. How are you, mate?
Awesome. Great night, isn't it?
It's a great night. I think it's so important. You've been up in the Central Coast like all of your life, yeah?
Walker Brothers, mate, this is tradition on the Central Coast. They've been here for so long. Always personal too. You go in there, every person in there wants to help you.
Well, we have been really lucky with a great night, amazing with the weather as well. I've been able to have a great lager, and I'm still chuffed at that microwave battery operated from Makita. I've got to get one.
I agree with you there, but the lager's better, so I'm going to get another one.
No worries. See ya. there we have it. We're nearly wrapping up. We've still got a lot of tradies inside talking to the various stands. It's definitely been a great night here celebrating 90 years for Walker Brothers, and what an amazing feat for any company. But for an Australian-owned brand that's still within the same family, I think it's outstanding. In a time where large businesses and multinationals are taking over so many brands, we've got to stand by these companies, these Australian companies that are the backbone of our economy. I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who came along tonight who supported this event, and also for everyone watching. Make sure you check out Walker Brothers and of course support the Australian dream of great brands helping us on our own rebuild or renovation journey.